Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to present you with my proposal for our marketing campaign.
What is this software you have installed on your USB stick?
Boss, this is USB Secure, which password protects USB drives, preventing theft of portable data storage devices.
Wow, Steve, you left nothing to chance. This software will certainly prevent our corporate data from leaking.
As you can see that by using these techniques, we will be better able to exceed our sales goals by 65% and cut costs by 20% annually.
Outstanding, Steve. Your proposal makes great sense, and I am sure these ideas will work.
Hello, Steve.
Hey, Jeff.
How are you? How's work?
Work is great. I just finished a proposal which will land me in the position of Vice President Marketing.
Wow, that's great. Wish you best of luck. What's this? Looks like Steve has dropped his USB stick. Today is my lucky day. There must be something useful on this USB drive. Oh, darn. Seems like Steve has password protected his USB drive.
Oh God, I must have dropped my USB flash drive somewhere. Well, not to worry. Thankfully, I had password protected it with USB Secure.